Today guys, I show you how to create events on Discord fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me, just move here up on your Discord server name, click on it and you will see here create event. Choose this. After that you will see where is your event. You can choose here stage channel, voice channel or somewhere else. To create classic event, just go here voice channel and choose your channel from Discord. After you choose like me, go here next and you will see event topic. Choose name for your event, start day and start time. Move here to description and save description about your event. After you do this like me, go here on cover image and choose your photo. Upload image. After you do this like me, just go here next and you will see create event. After pressing this, you will see all set, just share your event. You can copy event link and you can see here on top your Discord events. Click on it and you will see all available events on your Discord server. If you want to finish event, go on these vertical dots and you will see here cancel event, or you can start event and edit event. And that's it all guys for this video, how to create Discord events fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and follow me on Linktree. Check more UFO 187 Masterclass all episodes.